One of the biggest myths in IVF is that the busiest clinic must be the best clinic. Patients walk into huge centers with packed waiting rooms and automatically assume, so many people are coming here, they must be excellent. But medicine is not a restaurant review system. In IVF, volume can sometimes become the enemy of personalized care. The problem starts when IVF clinics become assembly lines. Doctors become overloaded, consultations become rushed, and patients stop receiving individualized attention. Instead of careful thinking, treatment becomes protocol driven. Everybody gets pushed through the same system, whether it fits them or not. Let me tell you something important. Before starting another IVF cycle, use Dr. Malpani's free IVF AI chatbot by scanning this QR code. It's designed to help patients ask smarter questions and avoid unnecessary treatments. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth most clinics won't openly admit. IVF success is not created by branding, celebrity marketing, or social media followers. Success comes from judgment, transparency, and careful laboratory work. But these things are harder to advertise than emotional promises. Many patients don't even realize how little they know about their own IVF cycle. They are never shown embryo photographs. They don't understand why certain medicines are prescribed. They don't know whether expensive add-ons are scientifically useful or simply profitable for the clinic. And sadly, when a cycle fails, many clinics immediately blame the patient. They say your eggs were poor, your stress was too high, your implantation failed, or your body rejected the embryo. Then they recommend another batch of costly tests and treatments. But if those tests were truly important, why weren't they advised before the transfer? Good IVF doctors don't practice defensive medicine. They practice transparent medicine. They explain limitations honestly. They tell you what science supports and what is still experimental. And most importantly, they give you enough time to understand your own treatment. Because IVF is not just a technical procedure, it's an emotional journey. Patients need empathy, clarity, and honest guidance, not confusion wrapped inside expensive packages. The smartest IVF patients today are no longer passive. They ask for records, they seek second opinions, they compare clinics intelligently, and they choose doctors who treat them like partners, not customers. So before you start your next cycle, ask yourself one important question. Does your clinic know you as a person or only as another file number? And if you want trustworthy IVF guidance based on 40 years of clinical experience, use Dr. Malpani's free IVF AI chatbot and make informed decisions before spending more money or losing more time.